Hey guys, and welcome back. So after applying database configuration and associate attribute with asset application in the database configuration. Okay, now we will set and configure our application designer. Okay, this is our asset application. Okay, now I set this text box here and associate it with asset risk attribute. So let's see its properties. Okay, I set this asset risk and set this label and set lookup value list for ALN domain. So take care of this note. ALN domain has a predefined lookup value called value list, which is a table with a value and description from the domain. So take care of this. So you should select this value list as a lookup for ALN domain. So this search box appeared here, so save your work. Let's go to asset application to see our updates. This is a very important note about ALN domain. Okay, now this attribute appears here, and this is the value that we associated with this domain. Now, if you enter high, for example, okay, you could enter any value as you want. Okay, if you didn't enter anything, say if we enter this value, there is an error called small is not valid. Edit my value, change the value you enter, go back. View. Okay, it's not in our list. So you should enter any value from these. I hope these videos help you. Okay, if you want more videos like this, kindly tell me in the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you and see you in the next one. Thank you.